Welcome to my channel again. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can sell your USDT on Gate.io exchange using the P2p function button. So, a lot of us don't know how to use the P2p. Now, for today's video, I'm showing you how you can sell. So, maybe another time, I will show you how you can buy using P2p. Now, I'll share my phone screen with you so you will see how I will do this. On my phone screen. All right, when you access your account, your Gate.io account, this is the home page, and on this home page you can see my total assets is 46.63 USDT. Now, how do you use the P2P on Gate.io? Right here, you are going to see the launch pool, the reward hub. You scroll, then you click on more. On the more, you see the P2P here. You click on that P2P. After the P2P has loaded, it is initially on the buy, and we do not want to buy. We want to sell our USDT. So we are going to click on the sell. So on the sell here, you see under it, there is USDT and there is a space bar. Then when you look at the right corner of the space bar, you see filter. Click on the filter. Now on that filter now, you are going to put your payment method, how you want to be paid. So click on bank transfer. Then you click on verification not required. So you confirm. Now you have people you can sell to here. This person is buying minimum of 100 to 9 to 10,000 worth of USDT. So it's not for us. First of all, let's change this to our currency, Naira. Right. So it has been changed. You can see this person is buying at the rate of 1,550, and the minimum is buying 500. Let's check it if we can sell to him. Skip. So I'm going to say all. Okay, we can't actually sell to this person because she's buying minimum of I think 100 USDT, and we have 46 USDT. So we're still going to keep scrolling. This one, the limit is 35. Let's check. Right, we can sell to this person at the rate of 1,549 Naira. Now we're going to set up our account, the account we want them to pay our money into. So I've clicked on the account, bank transfer, card holder UID. This is my Gate.io UID here. Here we are supposed to enter our bank. So I'm sending to OPay, and then I'm just going to input my account number 81681972. So here is my account number, OPay. I am going to click on add. To add the bank account, we need our verification code to add it. So paste it, allow paste, confirm it. Now we are going to click on account. We say sell USDT. Please drop your phone number. Sell USDT. Now we'll click on sell USDT. Right, so here it is. Now you can chat with whoever you are selling to. So you can click on the chat here. The person will state we should drop our phone number, which I'm just going to drop for him. It's the same account, 816-819-7214. I'm just going to send it. I didn't even check if this person is actually online. I didn't check that. But I hope the person is online right now. The person has confirmed the completion of the payment. This person has confirmed that he has made the payment. Let me go and check my bank account. All right. Try again. Fully reflected. Okay. Successful.
So the money has entered my wallet here, 72,232 Naira. You can see now, all I have to do now is payment received. I have to confirm that I have received the said amount. So I'll click on this button here, confirm payment. Note, if you have not received the payment, do not confirm until you have confirmed the payment in your bank account. Because the moment you confirm this, the coin will be released out. It is no longer in your wallet. So once I confirm now to you, leave my wallet and enter into his own wallet. Now, successful transaction completed. Let's go back and see for ourselves. So I'm just going to refresh now. You can see my assets is gone, successfully sold out.
Yes, I know you enjoyed this video very, very well. It was helpful to you. So yourself be helpful to me. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified whenever we post new content and amazing content for you. And also subscribe. Yeah, you need to subscribe to this channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.